everyone, welcome back to Slay Secrets YouTube channel. This video is very special because UNice Hair sent me one of their wigs. UNice Hair is another popular online hair vendor. They have their own website. They're also on Amazon as well as a bunch of other online platforms for selling hair. I placed this order on Amazon and I guess they use their own carrier. I got this package in like 3 days, so that's still pretty fast, you know. But let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and open this package. So this side, it has their contact information. And then on the back side, it says, be your own stylist, be different, bet. And then on the top of the box, it just has some details about the hair. But anyways, let's go ahead and open this box. Okay, so there are some goodies in the box. The first gift that they give you is nude wig caps.
Thank you for the wig caps. They will definitely be used.
The next free item is a free wig clip. Definitely can use this. And then the final free item, it looks like they have some security bands. So you have these 2 hooks. You would sew these little hooks to your lace or wherever you like on the wig. And then they also give you 2 straps for security. This is one side and this is the other side. So that's what's up. You know we gotta have some security in the wig. Secure the wig, okay? Secure the wig. So those were all the gifts that came in the box. Let's go ahead and take the hair out this bag. Okay, let's get to it. So the first question is initial shedding. Let's go ahead and see if this wig sheds. And there is no shedding. I didn't see any hair coming out in my hands. There's no hair on my floor. I don't see nothing dangling from the ends. Like, this hair has no shedding. So kudos to that. Okay, so the next question is true to length. So let's go ahead and measure this wig. This wig is supposed to be 20 inches long. So let's go ahead and double check that. I have the measuring tape on the first track line, which is about in the middle of the head. And looking at the measuring tape, 20 is right here. It looks like the hair on this wig, when you don't stretch it out, overall stops at 17 inches-ish. So we can go ahead and pull a strand from that track and hold it all the way down. So when you stretch the strand all the way out, it actually goes past 20 inches. This strand goes all the way down to 23 inches just about. So I give them a point for true to length because the length is clearly there. Like, if you straighten this hair, you're clearly gonna get more than 20 inches. So definitely have to give them a point for true to length. And as far as smell, this hair smells like brand new hair. It doesn't smell bad at all. So kudos to that. As far as texture, this hair is very soft. It's easy to comb my fingers through it. So this hair does not have any tangles.
The curls are flowy and bouncy, nice and thick with plenty of body.
Like, look at all this. There's lots of volume in this hair. Like, the volume is there. The hair pattern is Brazilian loose wave. Oh, look at that. I love this hair pattern. Absolutely love it. Look at this ponytail. Absolutely beautiful. And as far as the ends look good. They don't look dry at all. They don't look split. They maintain this hair very well. So kudos to that.
On the mannequin head, let's show you a close-up of the wig, starting with the hairline of the lace.
So this right here is the left side of the wig.
This hair vendor provided plenty of baby hair with a pre-plucked hairline, which is great. I definitely appreciate companies who customize wigs like this because it's essentially less work for you to do as far as styling the wig. As of right now, I do see the knots coming out of the lace, so I will definitely bleach the lace for sure.
The lace is a little bit rough. I would definitely wear a wig cap whenever I wear this wig.
The lace frontal is fairly transparent, but don't let the mannequin head fool you. I will still try on this wig on my head to determine if I have to tint the lace. I made a quick part in the lace to show you the depth of the lace. It's not bad at all, pretty deep lace parting space so far. Now showing you the back lace that they provide you. The back lace is not a lot of lace, it's just a straight line. It's not pre-plucked, which is fine, just a simple back lace.
So let's talk about the inner structure of the wig. So this is the front of the lace.
We will also measure the lace parting space on this wig to confirm if it is 13 by 6 inches as advertised.
We can go ahead and measure the lace to see if it is 6 inches deep.
So the lace starts to get less dense at the 5 to 6 inches mark.
So right here is basically pre-plucked hair for the hairline. So this lace front is 6 inches deep. Now as far as the lace being 13 inches across, as you can see from the middle point of the wig, it does decrease, right? Normal 13 by 6 lace front wigs, the whole thing is lace. So the whole thing is not lace for this wig. So basically the part that would be 13 inches across is down here. I'll go ahead and measure from these 2 points the distance. This 1 inch of hairline that is pre-plucked is most likely where that 13 inches across comes from, but we can still measure it for funsies, why not? But first, let's measure it across.
And the distance across is about 5.5 inches of lace.
So let's measure the lace where it's most likely going to be 13 inches across.
This is the space on the frontal that's supposed to be 13 inches as advertised, and it is not 13 inches across. They gave us 11.5 inches of lace for the frontal that is only 1 inch thick. Looking at the lace, it's not a full 13 by 6 lace front. The vendor does show pictures of the kind of lace that they are selling on Amazon. So this wig is exactly what they advertise in their pictures as far as lace appearance and the wig itself.
So basically for this lace front, right, from the center of the wig, you are getting 6 inches going deep and 5.5 inches going across. And then from ear to ear, you're getting about 11.5 inches. I think this will be enough hair. I just wish that the entire top part of this wig was completely laced with hair. It still will be a good amount of hair, so this is still plenty of space to do a free part. So let's go ahead and turn to the back of the wig. Another thing that I will point out is that for the front of this lace, the wig clips are right here. So you have your left and right wig clips in the front of your wig. So let's turn to the back. And as you can see, this wig is netted. And there is a back wig clip right here with the drawstrings and the loops. So here's the drawstring, and the drawstring is already hooked to a loop. So it's a good thing that they did give an extra wig clip, because you can actually put that extra wig clip right there if you wanted for extra support. And then those bands, you can actually put it right here. So we'll see how it plays out. I'll probably attach them right here for more security. But I'll definitely play with this wig when I'm ready to style it after I bleach and tint the lace, because this color is not really a color that's compatible with my complexion. Okay, so those are the details for this wig. I'm super excited to see how this wig looks. So let's go try this bad boy on. Okay guys, so I have this wig on, and oh my goodness, I cannot stop playing with this wig. Look at these curls. Like, you don't even have to one curl this wig. It's already curly for you. Like, this is like a wig you would leave curly. Like, you don't want to mess with the curl pattern on this bad boy. I don't even want to wash this wig because I'm afraid that I might lose the curls. The curls are so pretty. Like, I am in love with this hair. It is so much hair. Like, 150 density. No way. Look at all this hair. Like, I'm about to be real cute in this wig. Right now the entire wig is long. It's a lot of hair. Okay, so let's go ahead and scooch up to show you the hairline.
This lace is a good lace color, however I feel that it looks a little bit ashy with my complexion. And as you guys know, I don't mind doing any work when it comes to customizing my wig, so this is not a problem at all. Looking at this wig, now that I have it tried on, I'm still going to bleach and tint the lace. At this point, doing that is a standard for me.
So overall, I'm rating this wig a 9 out of 10, losing 1 point because I do not like the parting space at all. This wig is not a 13 by 6 lace front wig. This wig is a lace front that has a 6 by 6 part wig because they're not gonna say 5.5. Technically, this wig is a 6 by 5.5 part wig, not a 13 by 6 lace frontal. There's a difference. I love this wig. Like, I cannot wait to style it, cut a bang for myself, bleach and tint the lace, and hit the door. I can't wait to customize it to my likings, okay? Wear this out on a date with my bae. This wig is absolutely stunning. They did a good job with this wig. Absolutely beautiful hair. But yeah, that's all that we have for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. Let me know what you think about this wig. And don't forget to be subscribed to Slade Secrets YouTube channel. Other than that, I will see you in the next video. Bye!